family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we are back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be doing a nail supply haul. So if you guys are interested in what I got, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the majority of the stuff that I got is from Shop Miss A. It's a whole bunch of polishes, but let's go ahead and get rid of the other stuff that I got. So I got these two products from Walmart. The first thing is a crystal diamond glitter. It's an extra fine glitter from the brand Sulin, and it's non-toxic. I want to say this is for like arts and crafts, but this looks really pretty. It'll probably be a really pretty glitter to like encapsulate, so that is probably what I'm going to do with that. The next thing I got is just some fun tack from Loctite. It's just mounting putty, and I use this to hold my press-on nails when I'm designing them on the nail stands. So that's all I got from Walmart. Then I got two products from Nail Supply Glamour. I used these two products to make these nails. They're acrylic, so yeah, this is what they look like. Pretty nude, simple bling. So the first thing is this odorless acrylic monomer. It's 8 ounces, and this is what it looks like. And I will say it is very odorless. It doesn't smell anything like monomer. It doesn't smell like monomer at all, but the only thing is that it's slow setting. And these nails took forever to set, so it's like your choice. What do you prefer? A strong odor or slow setting monomer? Your call. So then I got the Nail Supply Glamour Crystal Clear Acrylic Powder. This is 8 ounces. This jar is huge. And I will say this is super, super clear. The clarity in this acrylic powder is amazing. So happy I purchased those. And those two products alone came out to 50 bucks with tax and shipping and all that good stuff. So now let's get into the Shop Miss A stuff. I literally just got this bag today, so I'm super excited to do this haul. Nice and bubble wrapped as per usual. Okay, so I got a crap ton of nail polishes from Shop Miss A. They're nice and secured and like wrapped with foam, so that's great. Yeah, so the first color that I got is white, and I got 2 of them because I do a lot of ombre press-on nails, and that requires a lot of white. I run through white regular nail polish like nothing. Then the next color that I got is black, and I got 2 blacks, and these are all 15 milliliters. So yeah, I got 2 blacks because I do marble nails, and that requires a regular black nail polish, at least the way that I do it does. So 2 blacks. And then I practically got one of every other color. So I got the shade Bear, which is a nice creamy brownie nude. Really pretty color. Then I got the color Nude, which kind of looks like what I have on my nails, but a bit lighter. So it's another like nudish shade, but it has like an orange peachy kind of undertone. Really pretty color. Then I got the shade Cherry, which is a nice, bright, vibrant red. Super cute. Then I got the shade Secret, which is a pretty light gray. Super pretty. I don't think I have anything like this as far as regular polish goes. And then I got the color Bubbly, which is like this, I don't know, I don't want to say holographic, but it kind of looks iridescent. It has like this weird duochromatic shift to it, so really pretty. I figured I could use this underneath bling. And that is everything that I got for my nail supply haul. So if you guys enjoyed watching me haul everything that I got, drop a thumbs up, comment down below anything that you liked from the video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you guys go. And on that note, I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!